Hello and welcome to the Child Care Village channel. Today I'd like to talk about the Child and Adult Care Food Program, generally referred to as the CACFP. The CACFP is a federally funded program that provides training and reimbursement for food served to children and adults cared for in participating child care centers, daycare homes, and adult daycare centers. When you participate in the program, you'll receive payment each and every month just for doing what you're already doing, serving healthy meals to those in your care. The CACFP is a big help for many caregivers, but some find the regulations and documentation confusing or difficult to keep up with. And of course, it's the job of your food program sponsor to monitor the meals you serve, but this may feel intimidating, especially when you're already busy or if it's an unexpected visit. But don't be nervous. Your sponsor is there for your training and support. Remember, if you don't get paid, they don't get paid either. So it's in everyone's best interest to work together to make sure the program is a success. Then everyone wins. The kids get healthy, nutritious, delicious meals, which helps their development. Your sponsor wins because their job will be easier. Working together and answering your questions helps them to understand how to best support and train caregivers. And of course, you win because by following the program more accurately, you'll ultimately receive more money. Now, if you're wondering whether or not the food program is worth it, we've created an example for you. If you're caring for just 5 children 5 days per week, and serving them breakfast, snack, and lunch, the food program would pay you between $250 and $500 per month. So if you're caring for 10 kids, that amount would double. So what if you join the food program and you need some extra help? What if the regulations are still confusing or menu planning is too time-consuming? Well, then you might want to check out childcarevillage.com. Child Care Village menus are carefully planned following the federal CACFP regulations. We include 3 meals and 2 snacks 7 days per week. We see to it that all the necessary components are included. You'll find great sources of iron, vitamin C, vitamin A, and lots of whole grains on every menu. Our menus also include helpful notes such as regulation reminders for yogurt and cereal choices, and things to remember when making substitutions. If you're not already familiar with Child Care Village, we're an online planning service for childcare programs of all sizes. Our service was originally designed with family daycare programs in mind, but our members also include childcare centers, parents of young children, nannies, and preschools. Membership to our website includes not just your menus, but preschool curriculum, tons of printables like activity sheets and room labels, plus business forms to help keep you organized. So we do all your planning for you for just one low monthly fee. If you're a childcare provider and you'd like more info on the CACFP and how to get started, we've included links to that information below. If you'd like more info on what Child Care Village membership has to offer, click the link below to check us out or go to www.childcarevillage.com. We've been online since 2003, helping caregivers like you save time and money. If you like this video, please subscribe, like the video, and hit the little bell to receive notification when we upload new videos. Thanks so much for watching.